guys, and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. Today's video we are going to be reviewing the new NYX holiday collection. Their collection is beautiful. It's called the Diamonds on Ice. Yeah, Diamonds on Ice, please. So I did have to do a little bit of running around for these things because the highlighting palette is exclusive to Walmart, but I mean everybody got Walmart. So when I got it, look at how pretty this is. I love that there's a gold, a rose gold, like silver, and then just like whatever that is, like I don't know. But these are the highlighter. This is the highlighting palette, and then this one here is the eyeshadow palette. This is the big one. They do have like 6-pan ones, but this highlighting palette was $14.97, so $15 at Walmart. And then the eyeshadow palette, I got this at Ulta yesterday, so this is $20. But look at the shades, very pretty. So while I was at Ulta also, I picked up one of their lippies and the jelly shadow, so I will be using both of these today. And just for the hell of it, because we're doing NYX, I did get a NYX this is their HD finishing powder, and I already had this, the pore filler, so the pore filler primer. So we're using all NYX today. I'm just not using NYX foundation because I can't ever find my shade. Okay, so Diamonds on Ice, please. Oh, that's right, sis. Okay, so the jelly shadow that I have, I'm gonna show you. This one is Strike a Pose. It's a rose gold, which I love. So this is what it looks like on the skin. This one, I believe, if I remember correctly, this one was $9. So I'm gonna use this. I wish that you were still able to like swatch things at Ulta, because I definitely would have swatched this lip topper before I bought it, because I didn't realize it was kind of purple. But that's what that looks like. But look at how beautiful that is. It's very glittery. I love that. Okay, so I'm gonna prep my eyes with the Plouise base. I'm so excited about this. I love NYX, I really do. I guess I would consider this a drugstore brand, but I love it. So I guess I should have peeled the plastic off of this first, but there we go. We'll recycle that later. Because the shades are very goldish. Oh, but these colors are so pretty. Oh, I've decided I'm gonna use this pink, probably this purple too, and this deep shade right here, and then put the lip top, the eye topper on top of that. I gotta clean it off. All my brushes are dirty. They are dirty. Okay, so while I'm cleaning off this brush, guys, let me tell you this story that just happened to me this morning. So I am like deathly afraid of like anything creepy crawly, like lizards, snakes especially. Like I don't care how big or small, I hate snakes and frogs, like any type of like slimy anything. I don't like it. So last Friday, I had just ordered a DoorDash and I was waiting on my order to come, and I saw a lizard like over my front door, and I was like, I might have to go through my garage to get my food because I'm not opening that door. And like I got my food, and I just took, like my youngest daughter was home, and I just took her in the room, and we stayed in there until my husband got home. And I was like, bruh, like you gotta take care of that, because he was like, it's not still there. I'm like, I literally just saw it, he's still there. So he got him outside. But this morning I saw my daughter, she sat down on the couch, she's getting ready to watch The Lion King, and I see it looked like the same lizard jump up and run across my couch. I almost burned my house down, but I called my little brother and he came and saved the day, thank God. He's getting something good for Christmas this year, because that was, just thinking about it. Okay, so back on track. Let's start with the palette. So right here, we're gonna go into this pink shade. I'm going to put that in my crease. Let's see what you do, pink shade. Okay, so, I mean, I can see it. Okay, so far this color is pretty true to the pan. It looks exactly like what I thought it would look like, which is very pale pink, which is okay because this is like not the shade that really matters. This is just like a transition shade. Okay, NYX, so far so good. So next we're gonna go into this purple shade right here, and I'm just going to, like, I'm literally using the same brush. This purple is beautiful. Good. I think it looks pretty good. These colors are very true to the pan. Like if you remember, dropping stuff. Okay, so we are using the pink and the purple so far, and then I mean, look how it's come out. It's very pretty. NYX never disappoints. This is like one of my favorite drugstore brands. Love them. I really want to use some of these colors, like some of these other ones, but I really want to use this thing, so I will just do a different look later. Clean enough to me. Okay, I stuck that right on my mouth. Did you see that? I'm like trying to blow it. Okay, so this one right here. Also to mention, there's not a lot of kickback in this palette. Like NYX is doing this thing right now. I'm really loving it. So it does not have a mirror. That's why I'm using my Ciate London mirror. I just love this packaging. I don't ever really even use this palette, but look how cute that is. Oh, sorry, I'm so off track today. I drank a lot of coffee this morning, so I am wired. Okay, so you see how I like really deepened up this eye look? I'm so excited because I was thinking like, oh, $20 for a NYX palette? I don't know. I do not know, but I am like very surprised. I'm pleasantly happy and surprised with this palette. There's not a lot of fallout, there's not a lot of kickback in the palette whenever I pick up the color. On the back of the palette, that a lot of these colors are pressed pigments. To be totally honest with you, I really don't understand the difference between a regular pressed pigment and eyeshadow. But yeah, whatever it is, I'm liking it. So as you see, I'm just alternating the brushes between the pink and the dark to make sure that I keep a good blend on that. I wanted to make sure that I kept this part dark enough to be able to blend with the pressed pigment, which is what we're going to do now. I'm super excited about this. Not the pressed pigment, the shadow jelly. I'm super excited about this. So I'm going to use my finger like how I did whenever I showed you the swatch on my hand. I'm just picking up a little bit. Sorry, it's the middle finger, but let me try to keep my, I don't want y'all to think I'm flipping you off. I love it already. So yeah, I'm just going to put this on my lid. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I am gonna have to use a brush though, because I'm trying to use my finger. I don't know if my eyes are just too like, I don't know. Using my finger is just not gonna work though. Oh my gosh, this is like so pretty. Shining. Reminds me of that song from Moana with that the crab. The color is just like so pretty. Love it. I'm gonna do my under eye. So this is also a NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil. This is the black bean one. As you can see, I use it all the time, so it's pretty much empty, but still got a little bit in there. So I'm gonna put that in my waterline. Okay, so now we're going to use the Liquid Vinyl Liner by NYX. Love this one. I'm not sure if I want to do a wing today. I guess we'll see what happens. This side's not coming out as well as the other one is. As the other one did. Let's see. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do a white liner above it just because. Really, that's the reason, just because. So this is also by NYX. I just feel like whenever you add a little bit of white to your liner, then just add something a little different. Now onto highlighter palette. Okay, so I think I'm going to use this pink one right here. It goes with the look. I'm into this rose gold shade right here. So that's what I'm gonna use. Ooh, y'all see that? Pick up on look. Nose is shining. I feel like it smells good too. Just what I'm smelling, it kind of smells like berry. NYX. You never disappoint me, do you? I think it is this. It smells good. So it has like a berry kind of smell to it. That's weird, but like good weird. I just never had a palette that smelled like, normally just smells like makeup. Okay, so for lip color, this is just a Wet n Wild lipstick that I'm using right here. I just want something to, well, and I have on lip gloss too. So had lip gloss on first, and then I'm just putting this I cannot talk. Just putting lipstick on top of the lip gloss. I am gonna blot because it is a topper, so I do want it to be on top, not like mixed in. Okay, so I just wanted to like add some tint to my lips. And now that I've done that, I'm gonna go in with this NYX lip topper. This color is called Power Trip. I am gonna add lashes to this look, but I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys my final thoughts on the entire everything that I bought. So I'm in love with it, pretty much. I love the highlighter palette. Even though I didn't get a chance, well, I guess I could go ahead and swatch the other ones right now. So even though I only used the rose gold one, I just already know that I love that one. These are what the other ones would look like. So still very pretty. I really like this one. I'm not so fond on the like the whitest shades. I'm just not really a fan of those because they don't look good on my skin tone. But the lip topper and the eyeshadow jelly, like, what, NYX? This is like, I'm in love with it. Like I said, this highlighter palette was $14.90 something, so $15 at Walmart. It is exclusive at Walmart. Whenever I went to Ulta, they did not have it at all. Everything else that I got from Ulta, everything else that I got in the collection, I got from Ulta. So the lip topper, I think this was $9. The eyeshadow jelly is somewhere around here, but I misplaced it now. But that one, I think it was also $9. And then the Diamonds and IcePlease eyeshadow palette, this was $20. So remember, I only used these 3 shades here, but I love it. Like, for how much it costs for the collection, because you know some collections, they run you like $100 or so, but for these 2 things right here, I mean, this is like, what, $40, and it's like good quality stuff that you can just get at Walmart or Target or whatever. So I give it an A+. And if you're thinking about buying this, go ahead and buy it, sis. It's worth it. They're good quality stuff. Like, I have highlighters that I paid a lot of money for and they don't even shine this bright. Remember how I just like dug it in my, like, slid my finger in there and just put it on my nose, and like now my nose is shiny and I'm like a glow worm. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have not already, like this video, subscribe, and you'll see my face in the next video.